Students, today we will learn CBSE Board Class 6 Lesson 1 Patterns in Mathematics Short Sums. Question 1. Which sequence do you get when you start to add the all ones sequence up? What sequence do you get when you add the all ones sequence up and down? Solution. For adding the all ones sequence up, first is 1 equal to 1. If 1 is one step up, then 1 plus 1 equal to 2. When 1 is two step up, then 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3, and so on. Thus, by adding all one sequence up, we get counting number sequence, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. The next is when we add the all one sequence up and down, it starts with 1 equal to 1. When 1 is one step up and then one step down, then we get 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. When 1 is two steps up and then down, then we get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 5, and so on. Thus, by adding all one sequence up and down, we get sequence of odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Question 2. Which sequence do you get when you start to add the counting numbers up? Can you give a smaller pictorial explanation? Solution. When we add two counting numbers which starts from 1 equal to 1. If two counting numbers are added, then we will get 1 plus 2 equal to 3. When three counting numbers are added, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. When four counting numbers are added, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 10, and so on. The pictorial representation is given below the number. Thus, by adding the counting numbers up, we get sequence of triangular numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, etc. Question 3. What happens when you add up pairs of consecutive triangular numbers? That is 1 plus 3, 3 plus 6, 6 plus 10, 10 plus 15, etc. Which sequence do you get? Why? Can you explain it with picture? Solution is when we add triangular numbers, first 1 plus 3 we get 4. Then next is 3 plus 6 we get 9. Next 6 plus 10 we get 16. 10 plus 15 we get 25, and so on. Thus, by adding triangular number sequence, we get sequence of square numbers, which is explained by giving a suitable picture for each square number. Kindly refer the picture. Question 4. What happens when you start to add up powers of 2 starting with 1, that is, take 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, and so on. Now add 1 to each of these numbers. What numbers do you get? Why does this happen? Solution. First we will see powers of 2, which are 2 raised to 0 equal to 1, 2 raised to 1 equal to 2, 2 raised to 2 equal to 4, 2 raised to 3 equal to 8, 2 raised to 4 equal to 16, 2 raised to 5 equal to 32, and so on. When we start to add up powers of 2 starting with 1, we get 1 equal to 1. When two powers of 2 are added, that is 1 plus 2 equal to 3. When three powers of 2 are added, we get 1 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 7. When four powers of 2 are added, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 equal to 15. When five powers are added, we get 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 equal to 31, and so on. When in this addition 1 is added, that is 1 plus 1 equal to 2 is equal to 2 raised to 1. When 1 is added in 3, we get 3 plus 1 equal to 4, that is 2 raised to 2. When in 7 1 is added, we get 8, which is equal to 2 raised to 3. When in 15 1 is added, we get 16, which is 2 raised to 4. When in 31 1 is added, we get 32, which is equal to 2 raised to 5, and so on. Thus, when we add powers of 2 starting from 2 raised to 0 in a sequence and then added 1 to this addition, we get the powers of 2 sequence starting with 2 raised to 1 and so on. Thus, we get the next exact power of 2. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video for upcoming updates.